rosam, rosa, rosa, rose, rosarum, rosis, rosas, rose, rosis.
Hello, my dear fashion enthusiasts. I am delighted to see you again on the Brandibay Fashion channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I invite you to discover with me the Antonio Marras Fall-Winter 2026 runway show, presented during Milan Fashion Week. As the silhouettes move before your eyes, I will guide you in observing the details, understanding the designer's intentions, and sharing with you my perspective on this collection. This season marks a special moment for Antonio Marras. After several shows held in increasingly large venues, the designer has chosen to return to his Milan showroom, that intimate space which has been the heart of his world since 2004. This return immediately transforms the perception of the show. The atmosphere becomes more personal, almost confidential. Here, there is no spectacular set design or imposing dramaturgy. Everything appears deliberately pared down, as if Marras wished to refocus all attention on the sensitivity of the garment. The show presents around 50 silhouettes, a choice that gives the presentation a more focused rhythm. Each look seems to have more space to reveal its details. Personally, I greatly appreciate this approach, as it allows for closer observation of the fabrics, layering, and visual compositions that define the designer's work. The set design also helps establish this distinctive atmosphere. A path covered with slightly flaked gold leaves runs through the room, while climbing rose bushes heavy with blossoms surround the pillars. Even the makeup extends this floral idea with an almost painterly delicacy. The overall effect is immersive, yet without theatrical excess. Everything is controlled and concentrated. The rose, moreover, becomes the true guiding thread of the collection. At the beginning of the show, it appears with an elegance that evokes certain silhouettes from the 1940s. One notices a skirt suit with precise lines, as well as a sheath dress shaped like a tulip, with slightly sloping shoulders and puffed sleeves. These first looks convey an impression of calm, structured refinement. Very quickly, however, Marras's universe fully unfolds. The designer introduces his taste for layering and textile collages. Fabrics and patterns begin to enter into dialogue with one another. Brocade, embroidery, and prints combine in opulent compositions. Certain kimono dresses accumulate textures and embellishments, while low-waisted dresses edged with lace oscillate between nostalgia and a rebellious spirit. This idea of collage also appears in the menswear silhouettes. Patchwork rose embroideries punctuate check suits. A fitted denim jacket features floral inserts, while a full ruffled skirt seems to be composed of fragments of roses, almost like memories sewn into the fabric. Marras then introduces more pronounced contrasts. Leather biker ensembles suddenly appear, paired with mid-calf sneakers and structured skirts. A country coat also draws attention with its leopard print sleeves and Prince of Wales check inserts on an olive background, creating a very striking visual tension. As for accessories, the evolution remains discreet yet noteworthy. One particularly notices the caragol bag, recognizable by its almost sculptural wrapped handle. Its silhouette asserts its character without multiplying ornaments. To conclude, I would say that the great strength of this collection lies in the richness of the materials and in this very personal floral romanticism. The contrasts between softness and more assertive pieces bring real depth. The aspect that may divide opinions remains the density of the layering, which is sometimes very visually heavy. Thank you very much for sharing this moment with me. Please feel free to tell me in the comments which looks left the strongest impression on you. I wish you an excellent viewing experience for the rest of the show, and I will see you again very soon for a new fashion exploration. Take good care of yourselves, stay curious, stay inspired. Goodbye.
seen it coming. Waiting for nothing and praying for someone to love. I've had enough of the ones who run. I should have seen it coming. Truth peeks her head at dawning, seduces the moon. Should have seen you coming. I knew you are the one who runs. I should have seen you coming. I couldn't feel your loving. I know I sent you running. I know I sent you running. The ones who run. The ones who run. The ones who I should have seen you coming. I couldn't feel your loving. I know I sent you running. I know I sent you running.
Rosa, rose, rose, rosam, rosa, rosa, rose, rosarum, rosis, rosas, rose, rosis.